you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, I make videos on lifestyle, travel, and product reviews here on YouTube. I'm also active on Instagram and TikTok, so be sure to follow me there. But today I'm going to be going shopping for some Christmas decor for my apartment. I basically have nothing. I only have like one small little light up tree and a doormat and a wreath and nothing else. So we're pretty much starting from scratch, so I'm going to take you guys around with me to Hobby Lobby, Nordstrom Rack, maybe at home, maybe Marshall's, I can't decide, and see what we can find. And then I'll do like a big haul and then put up the decorations and kind of show everything to all of you. So it's probably going to be filmed over a couple of days, so I'm sure you'll see some outfit and hair changes along the way, but let's go see what we can find.
Well, I'm all for Christmas.
Hobby Lobby was amazing. Everything was 50% off. I got a bunch of ornaments for a tree. Now I'm here at Nordstrom Rack. I'm still hoping to find like some decor for the kitchen and a garland. They didn't really have any garlands in the colors I wanted. They had like really traditional ones. And they had gold ones. I think I'm going for more of like a silver theme. Hey you guys, it is several days later and I wanted to sit down and film a haul and show you everything that I got a couple days ago and a few weeks ago, and just, you know, compile everything for inspiration. I'll try to link some of the things that I can link. I did get some things from Target and at home, so I feel like those should be in stock online. Of course, TJ Maxx, Marshall's, you know, you can't always find those online. But let's jump right into the haul. So first up, I got this absolutely adorable piece of art. It says Candy Cane Coffee and Cocoa Shop. It's very like old-timey, vintage. I thought it's so cute and I want to hang it up in our kitchen. I just absolutely fell in love with this piece. I got it at Marshall's and it was only $13, and I feel like it looks like a lot more expensive than that. But yeah, this is probably like my favorite thing I got overall. The next thing I got at Marshall's was this really pretty Rachel Zoe tree. I like the brand Rachel Zoe for clothes. This was my first of her home decor that I got, but I love the pearls and the silver with a silver star. It does have string lights in the middle and it lights up. I have some more trees at my parents' house that I still have to get, but I think I'm gonna do like a little display around our TV of like these different trees. And just kind of like arrange them, because I have, like I said, I have like 2 or 3 at my parents' house as well, and I feel like that will go good with that theme. I also bought a set of 4 wine glasses. They have a Christmas tree with a little Santa on top. These are so cute. I'm planning on having some friends over for the holiday season, so I thought these would be perfect to make like little festive cranberry drinks in. I got this ornament at Hobby Lobby. It's kind of like rustic. Merry Christmas to all. I thought it was really pretty. Hobby Lobby was having a 50% off sale of their decor, so I spent $50 and I got a bunch of things. I also got some of these frosted snowflake ornaments. I think overall my theme is just kind of like really leaning into like silvers, whites, and sort of like vintage, old-timey, traditional Christmas. So there will be pops of red and green, but I would say primarily I am sticking to those neutral colors. Definitely not doing any like crazy pinks, or I'm not even really leaning into gold too much, which is weird because I love gold year round. But I feel like for Christmas I'm really into silver for some reason. I got these super sparkly silver ornaments as well. They do look like they're gonna kind of get everywhere, but I thought these would be really pretty on the tree. We got our tree from Wayfair. Nick is actually putting it up right now, so I will be able to also show you the tree as well. I also got this ornament at Hobby Lobby. This is like the only outlier item I have that does have like gold and like those brighter colors, but I love the little gingerbread house. I thought it was so cute, and if I decide it looks too out of place on the tree, I will return it, but I think it's pretty. Also from Hobby Lobby, I got these 3 silver sparkly ornaments that say joy. I thought these would be nice to kind of place all around the tree. I do have some more ornaments too that I collected from places that I traveled, like Seattle and Charleston, that I want to hang up on the tree as well. I also got this standalone snowflake ornament. I thought it was really pretty and delicate. This was the last ornament I got from Hobby Lobby. It's like this little teardrop ornament. This was really cheap, and again, I feel like it looks a lot more expensive than it was. I got these two ornaments from Target. I got the little pickup truck. I'm obsessed with the pickup truck carrying the tree. This is like my favorite like Christmas look, and I love that the pickup truck was white. I thought it was so perfect. Also got this ornament from Target, another pickup truck, or this is more like a SUV, I guess, with the tree, but I loved the mint green sage color. I thought it was really pretty, and that's also my wedding colors. I got these a couple weeks ago at Home Goods, just these Christmas tree decorative dish tiles. Again, I really like the green and silver. I got these at Marshall's, these gingerbread hand towels for the bathroom. I thought these were super cute. I'm also like really into gingerbread and I think they're super cute, but that is kind of like outside of the color scheme, so I thought these would be nice in the bathroom. A nice way to incorporate the gingerbread in without making it like the centerpiece of everything. I have been wanting Christmas sheets for the last few years, and so I got these at Marshall's. They were $35. They're by the brand Shabby Chic, and they're just like absolutely perfect. I love this like muted like holly pine cone branches design. I feel like it will look really great with the white bedding. I also got this from Marshall's. I just got this kind of off-white color fuzzy tree skirt for us to use. There was a pearl one that I really liked, but it was a little bit messed up, so I ended up going with the plain one. I also got some gift boxes at Marshall's. I just got the gold trees. This is the only pop of gold I really got. From Target, from the dollar section, I got this little Merry Christmas tin, and I thought that would be really cute to put some mini candy canes in and just leave it out on the kitchen counter, just like a cheap way to be festive. We also got this advent calendar from Trader Joe's. I also got a Sugarfina advent calendar, but I will show that more on like my Christmas vlogs. I figured I would kind of save that for then and kind of like open them day by day. I'll probably do like a couple like Christmas week in my life vlogs, so if you're interested in that, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I got these fun bows at Hobby Lobby. I feel like if you don't get the good wrapping stuff early on, it just goes. So I feel like I suck at wrapping, so putting this on a present makes it look a little bit better. These are the stockings I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm open to getting other ones, but we needed stockings. Like I have my like old childhood stockings, but I needed like matching ones for Nick and I. So we just got these simple white linen stockings with the silver snowflakes. I just thought they were classy. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but I think this is good for us for now. And if we see something else, we can always, you know, return those or whatever. I also got this wrapping paper at Hobby Lobby. Just again, this old time like Christmas tree, just very like classic, elegant look. I do feel like I got ripped off on their wrapping paper because it was cheaper at Marshall's and they had more varieties, but I was kind of sucked into this. Finally, I got a wreath and doormat at Home a couple weeks ago, and At Home has like some of the nicest, cheapest wreaths ever. I got one for fall as well, and I think this wreath was only like $25. But look how stunning this is. I love the pine cones, the red, very traditional, and I just thought it was really, really pretty. They also have really nice doormats. I feel like they have like always like really cute and fun sayings on them. But this one says "Snow Much Fun," and again the pickup truck with the Christmas tree. So I thought that was adorable, and I thought it would tie in really nicely with the red like poinsettia design on the wreath. So that's everything that I got. Like I said, I have a couple more things in my parents' house, but I want to put this all up and kind of see what I'm lacking. I do think I want to get like a little mini frosted fir tree from Target and put that like near where our accent cabinet and faux eucalyptus tree is. I want to kind of put that on the other side. I think that would look nice. I do think I need some stuff for the coffee table because like these big trees are too big and I want to put them around the TV area. Probably need a couple more ornaments. I'll show you my star in a minute. We did get a really nice star at Target. Again, it's just like a snowflake, more neutral star. But that is everything. Now let me put all this up and then I'll give you a tour of how everything turned out.